The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now in this video, I'm just letting you know about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica, and I'm going to explain to you in my words according to how I understand some things that I read in news articles about each incident. Alright? Now there are reports out there about a 4-year-old boy who died after he allegedly had been beaten by his stepfather with a stick. According to reports, it is said that on the 18th of July the year 2021, the 4-year-old boy who goes by the name of Nashan Brown was at home with his mother and the stepfather, and it is said that he was not feeling well. It is said that the 4-year-old boy was eating slowly, and it angered the stepfather to the point where he allegedly beat the 4-year-old boy with a piece of stick repeatedly. It is reported that the mother of the 4-year-old boy tried to calm down the stepfather. However, it is said that she too allegedly had been beaten with the piece of stick badly. According to reports, it is said that sometime after the alleged beating of the 4-year-old boy, the 4-year-old boy went to the bathroom, and it is said that the stepfather, who is said to be the accused, volunteered to give the 4-year-old boy a bath. However, it is said that the 4-year-old boy began to have breathing problems, and it is said that the 4-year-old boy then became unresponsive. It is said that he had been rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he had been pronounced dead. A blood sample, broken pieces of stick, and a metal broom were all found at the scene and secured by police investigators as evidence. It is said that the accused, who is said to be the stepfather, had been taken into police custody, and it is said that a post-mortem will be done to determine the child's death. Now, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, has given the clearest signal that his administration was not afraid to pass legislation to outlaw corporal punishment. And the opposition leader, who goes by the name of Mark Golding, said that banning corporal punishment would be a symbolic step to tackling the problem. However, Mark Golding pointed out that Jamaica is or was a biblical country, and that there are people within the country of Jamaica who stands with biblical terms like don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Now, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, because of what happened to the 4-year-old boy, members of parliament talked about banning corporal punishment within the country of Jamaica, and I don't wrong them. I do not wrong them, viewers and subscribers. You see it? Now I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I got informations about a shootout between police and gunmen within the Riverton community that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 20th of July the year 2021. According to some informations that I got about the whole incident, it is said that 3 gunmen had been shot and killed by the police, and 2 firearms had been found or discovered by the police. According to reports, it is said that gunmen challenged a team of police officers who were in the Riverton community, and I also saw a news article where it is said that Indicom probing police killing of 3 men in Riverton. Now I also got informations about shootout between police and gunmen within West Kingston, Jamaica on the 20th of July the year 2021. According to some things that I read in a news article, it is said that one of the gunmen had been shot and killed, and it is said that another man who is considered to be one of the gunmen had been shot and injured. It is said that 1 firearm had been discovered by the police. Now I also saw a video circulating on social media where it is said that the video is about a shootout between police and gunmen right in the vicinity of Denham Town Police Station. Now, when I look at the video, viewers and subscribers, I wondered if that video is about the same incident where it is said that a shootout between police and gunmen within West Kingston, Jamaica on the 20th of July, the year 2021. However, according to some information that I got, it is said that the video had been recorded on the 20th of July, the year 2021. Alright, so I'm just letting you know about those things, viewers and subscribers. I don't know me dancehall skill. I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. No big up on yourself. You see it?